Just tell me the worst weird moment you've ever had.
Before we get that, I want to find out how you use your Facebook. You said when you spell it down.
Yeah.
How do you use your Facebook? Like,
What are you doing?
Yo, on Facebook, like, yo, I comment like crap. I post crap. Like as I said, man, I'm a very happy guy, you know.
Yeah.
I like to joke around. I always want people, like when I'm in the room, I always want people to like have that happy energy, that vibe, you know, that now Yamkeez ukhona. So singanwabi.
You don't need to look around for his vibe.
Exactly.
You just look direct to Yam.
Sure. And ndimbi so funeka ndithethe kakhulu kwenzela uba izwathi ndimhle. Yeah, because xa umbi uthule ekuse. Yeah, kaloku xa yabona like xa umbi ne kodwa uzogqiba uthule. Like if ngoku ndingahlala la njengoba ndihleli so maziba mhlawumbi okonifiki lapho sispend 30 minutes. Xa uphakamisa inhloko undijonga ndisendikujonga. Uzawuthina ndithi uzojonga kuthi. Yabo. But if now ndiyathetha uzoba interested lento ndiyithethayo and then now exactly and now uye ufumanise uba hayi man lo mntu akekho mbi cha nje mhlawumbi uthixo ayengxamile exactly so I talk a lot and it helps. Yeah, understand.
Icherembi kuwe la icherembi because uyakwazi wena udefine i-outembi uthi i-outembi outefana nawe
Outefana nawe,
once ufane nawe lo out uyayazi noba uyicherembi what ufane nawe.
Sure.
So icherembi uye uyirigade
no the thing is this yabona like emacherry ne and kholwa kuyenza leyo bandithini no like icherry imbi and whatever and all but ke ukhona umuntu ufumanisa uba hey ingathi uva inhlungu lo. Yabo so man yabo like mna if uyicherry ne and awuzoyanga then umbi kum.
Yeah.
Like if awuzoyanga then bakhona abantu ufumanisa uba mhlawumbi umuntu mhlawumbi akanayo imali yeweave. Yabo akanayo imali yerelaxa, imali ye-makeup, you understand. But ufumanisa uba lo muntu man uzuyile lo muntu uyahlamba and all that yabo. So at least uyazama.
Ubuhle uthi it's not materialism.
Maintenance nje yakho
Exactly. Nobu yi-Golf, nobu yi-Mazda, nobu yi-Ferrari.
100% brother. 100%.
Maintenance. Ihlala at
Yabona xa usize ezimotweni khona imoto ka-1991 yakwa kuthiwa yi-Toyota Cressida i-GLI 6 i-24 valve la moto. La moto i-Golf 5 if uqhuba la moto i-Golf 5 le ka-207 206 ubaleka nayo endleleni.
Hey,
you understand. If la moto uyisa kwi-service i-maintenance qha uyanthola. So it just goes with i-maintenance ba wena uziphethe njani nje ungumuntu.
Yeah,
sure.
Balise istyle sakho se-fashion ungayithanda i-fashion.
Yo,
what do you comment about
I don't wear skinny jeans. I don't wear skinny jeans. Like for him nane. Yeah. No, the thing is this, ne? Like 80% of male designers these days, you'd find that like male clothing designers, ne? You'd find that 80% of them are gay. You understand? So what happens is xa umjita designer impahla abe gay, udesigner into ezawusuta bani? Exactly. Yabo. So I think I'm not
just stopped. I'm gonna burn all of those skinny jeans.
I'm not saying no, I'm not saying that if you know about skinny jeans then you are gay. No, I'm just saying like ndinxiba into uncomfortable kuyo. Yabo. Ndinxiba into uncomfortable kuyo. I-jeans I don't know skinny jeans. Skipper, zawunxiba ivest ngaphansi and izinxibe like bambe because andinazo muscles ndiyonqena uyojima so ukubona like ndihamba esitratweni ndinevest emhlophe kukho nezi zikipa zikhoyo ngoku ezizinenantsika engaka so ufika ikhola okanye ivest ufika ivuleke ezawo yabo
Awulunganga
Gay.
phela.
Gay.
So kawushe le sign isandla. What does this sign mean?
But ukhokiwe. Somehow gay in some ways. Sure.
You as a guy, do you think gay means are gay by choice or are they gay by birth?
No, I think it's got something to do with that, man. You can't just wake up and say no, I'm gay. You understand? Like mna ngokukhula kwami ndikhule ndiyazi moswa okay through iBhayibhile. Ngizawubeka iBhayibhile. I'm atheist by the way, but ngakuzekela iBhayibhile.
Yeah.
TikTok.
Atheist. Wasn't atheist?
I don't believe in a God.
You believe in what?
I don't believe in a God.
You believe in God.
No.
Or you just don't believe in anything which is called God.
Any form of God. When I'm talking about God, I'm talking about Allah, I'm talking about Buddha, I'm talking about God from the Bible, I'm talking about Satan, like the devil himself, Lucifer. I don't believe in any form of God.
What do you think that is? When you hear people telling you about the end, judgment day.
Okay.
The day is coming.
Okay. Let me just tell you something very interesting. I'm an atheist, but I go to church.
Woo!
But I go to church.
What's that?
Okay. Why?
It's like, I don't believe I'm a sick, but hey, yeah, how's it going?
Sure. No, the thing is this now. Like when and the church, there's a bit of a twist somewhere there. You understand? Okay, like amasiko, like I've seen izinto like amasiko izinto zisenziwa. Yabo and abe ndiqonda kuse nema the way and understand mayenze kanjani. You understand? Ufumana uba iphikisa even kwa science. Uyanthola? But ubone uba iyenzeka le way. Yabo. Like for example, like xa kuthwasa igqirha ufika kuyiwe emlanjeni. And then into yakwenza uzawuphuma mos umuntu wakhona phansi kwamanzi kuthiwa mos uyohlala phansi kwamanzi aphume then kuba khona ibhekile. You understand? La bhekile ibekwa phezu kwamanzi ne and then iyafloat empty bagalele pha lamayeza akhona again whatever, but I think
maybe amayeza
But-
are lighter than the bhekile.
no, like
What
what about like ungathatha bra 5 liter yamanzi for example, or uthathe even like imagi ne ukhe amanzi uyibeke epheyileni like hey,
I've seen that happening.
I've seen it, bruh. I saw it happen, and that's like, iyaphikisana. Like I believe in a lot in science. Ndiyazithanda like experimenta ngezinto, yabo. So ezinye izinto like ndayibona live ndafumana uba yeah man,
So
yabo.
let's
So
say-
when it comes to Gcuwa, ne, I go to church because I want to understand why people think the way they do. Yabo. Why people make the choices they do.
yeah.
You understand? So phayani ndisesikolweni, like if ufuna like if ufuna ukwazi abantu, if ufuna understand abantu, phila la mpilo yakho. You understand? So mna ndiya ecaweni because ndifuna understand why abantu besenza i-choices abazenzayo, why abantu bephila the way they do. Yabo.
Yeah.